started, you guys, we're first going to just put that concealer right above the eyebrows. We can get started with basically laying the foundation so we can do this eyeshadow look. Okay, so once we're done with that concealer, we're just going to go ahead and continue blending that into the lid. And then I'm actually going to go ahead and take a white concealer and put that on top of the lid. And this trick I actually learned from makeup beauty influencer YOUKEYY. I believe that's her name. She has a video on how to make your eyeshadow colors pop. And so I wanted to try this trick with this white concealer to see how it looked. And I will make sure to put her video link in the bottom so you guys can check out her video for this. So now we're going to go into the Anastasia Subcultue palette, and we're going to use that Alexis color, and it's like a bluish teal color. We're just going to put that right on the lid above the crease. Then I'm going to go into the OPV Beauty Rainbow Splash palette and use the color Spring, which is that black color. And we're going to basically do easy, clean strokes right into where we place that bluish color from the Anastasia palette, because we want to get this as dark as possible. So basically nice, clean strokes back and forth into that crease there. So now we're going to take the same palette and use the color Intense, and then we're going to start basically blending that on the outer part of the other eyeshadow, basically starting to blend it and smooth it in so that it transitions really well with the other eyeshadow. Now we're just going to take the Garnier makeup remover and a Q-tip and basically start removing some of the makeup where we are going to cut the crease. That way the concealer doesn't blend in with the color and it turns out with a, you know, a weird looking color. So now I'm going to take the Crown Case palette and use the color Silver, And I'm just going to put that right over that other color that we used from the Anastasia palette. And you just want to, you know, place it on there lightly. The fallout on this palette I didn't really like. But yeah, just go ahead and place the silver color on there lightly. So now I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. eyebrow cream. I know you guys probably see my other videos. I always use the Morphe brow cream, but today I'm going to be using the e.l.f. brow cream. And you just want to get a small makeup brush and just start placing the eyebrow gel on your eyebrows just as I'm doing. Now I'm going to take the Sache setting powder and start setting my makeup, and so I'm just going to place it on my face with this beauty blender. So now we're going to go ahead and take that color from the Anastasia palette, that dark teal color, and put that on the lower lash line. This is going to help our eyes pop out even more because this color is so vibrant and real like calm, and it's going to really help us with this look. Okay, you guys, so here is the final look. It came out just great. The eyeshadow like really popped with that white concealer, and I just really love this look, you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you comment down below. And thanks for joining, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, you guys.